Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the master job profitability based on POL wise in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Job Report Accounts menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the Master Job Profitability menu. On this Master Job Profitability page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the Submit button. Here we can see the POL option. If you want to filter the POL, just click the POL option. We have to select the required POL. Now we can see the master job profitability based on POL wise. This is how to view the master job profitability based on POL wise in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.